Good morning, everyone. So, dear students, we are going to continue with OpenOffice Writer, and today I am going to teach you about templates. So, what are templates? So, templates are inbuilt documents, designs of the documents, which saves our time. So, we can download the templates, and from those templates, we can create our own documents. Not only this, you can create your own business letterheads with the help of templates. So in today's session, we are going to cover all these topics. First of all, we will see how to download the templates in OpenOffice from online. Second, we will see how can we create our document from a template. Third, how can we create a template from our own document? So for example, letterhead. And then we will study how can you set a custom template as default. Means if you want your template should come each time when you open a file, that will also be covered in this session. And last, we will also study that how can we reset the default template. So here we go. First, let us see how can we download a template in OpenOffice from online. So for this, we will be opening OpenOffice. The moment you click on OpenOffice, you have to click on text document. Once you click on text document, we will click on file, new, and when you click on new, you have to select templates and documents. Once you select templates and document, this dialog box will come on your screen. You will click on get more templates online. So the moment you click on this, it will take you to the web browser. Now, the thing you need to note down here that when you click on this, template, so by default, it will show you the templates of Calc. Okay, that is spreadsheet. But we want the templates of writer. So you have to choose writer from here, right? Filter by application, you will choose writer. Now suppose I want to download a template related to resume. Resume means biodata. I want to create a biodata. So you will see that these templates have come, right? Now you can click on any template which you want. The moment you click on here, it will show you the next web page whereby you can download the template. Once you download the template, it will take you to some another web page and where your template will start getting downloaded, right? So depending upon your net speed, it will download the template. So can you see here? It is giving you the message your download will start shortly. Now once your downloading is being done, so you will see a template file will come automatically on your system, right? So just see this resume.ott. Now what I am doing is I am showing this particular file in the folder. So just see the file has been downloaded in my download section. What I am doing is I am moving this file to my folder class 10th, right? So now once I have pasted this file, so you will see this is a file called resume.ott. OTT means it is open document text template. You need to note down that the default name of the template, the extension of the template is OTT, right? So I hope you have understood the first point, how to download templates in OpenOffice. Now we will understand how to create our document from this template. So the template which I have downloaded is here, resume, and I want to modify this template. From this template, I want to create my own document. So what I am doing is right clicking on this and I am opening it with OpenOffice, right? Once I opened it with OpenOffice, so you will see that this template, this predefined settings are already there. You can see formatting is already there and some of the text is written in the bullets and numbering. So we are not going to change the formatting, but we are going to overwrite our work over here. Now suppose you want to put your work here, you want to put your name here. Suppose I am writing here Naman Jain, right? So your name has come here. Similarly here I want to put the address. So I am writing here, for example, A1, comma 13 or 12, and then I am writing Rohini, comma Delhi 110086, for example, right? Similarly, I want to change this, email ID, so that also you can change. So I am writing here, for example, Naman Jain @super.com. So after you have changed all your formatting, right? Once you have changed your text as per your requirement, you keep on changing the text. And then the next step is, when your work is done completely, you will save your file. So the moment we save the file, so you will see automatically the extension is coming ODT, right? So I am giving the name, for example, Naman Resume, right? So I'm just showing you the folder. So you can see from resume.ott means from template I have created ODT, that means my own document, right? So here we have understood the second thing also. So how to create a document from a template, I think it is clear to you. Now we will understand how can we create a template from a document. Now suppose I want to make my own company letterhead. So let's see how can I create. Suppose my company is ABC Limited. Now for this matter, I want to put some word art. So you remember in MS Word we used to have word art. Similarly, you can find this word art from this drawing toolbar. So in this drawing toolbar, there is an option called font work gallery. It is not word art, it is font work gallery. So you will click on this. The moment you will click on this, so you will see the plenty of designs will come here. Select the design which you want and click on OK. Now here you can change this particular word. How? Just double click and then you have to type the name. For example, ABC, and then I am typing limited, right? So once I do it, you will see the text has been edited, and then I will resize my text, right? So I have resized my text. So this is my company name which I want always it should be there, right? Whenever I am creating some, suppose I want to create the letterhead of my company, so I want this logo should appear always. Now similarly, I have my company logo, so I am trying to put the logo. The procedure is same which we have discussed in the previous demonstration. So insert picture from file, and then I am taking this logo. I want to place it on in my document, right? So you can see the logo has come. Now in this logo, I want to crop this area. So you will right click here and go to picture option. Once you click on picture option, you will get crop option, right? So from bottom I want to crop. So can you see in the preview also this area has been cropped, right? So my image has come. When I drag it little down, so you will see that you will ask me that, ma'am, where is our ABC Limited? So it has been hidden by this logo. So what I can do it, I can pull it down, little down, right? Now I want to give this logo a watermark effect and I want to place it always at the back. So what you can do is right click on this logo, go to arrange and send to back, right? Now you want to give a watermark to this picture. Always remember, whenever we select a picture, we will see this picture toolbar. Now from this picture toolbar, you will select the filter, the default options, and from default option you will choose grayscale. Grayscale for converting it to black and white, but if you want to convert it into watermark, so you select watermark, right? So you will see that your picture has been converted to watermark. So this is how I have designed my letterhead. Now I want to save this letterhead as a text, as a template. So we will click on file menu, and the moment we click on file menu, we will click on templates and then save. Once I click on save, so I can give any name to this template. Suppose I am giving it the name, for example, template underscore 20 wait. template underscore 20, 22 and 23, right? I have given this name and I am clicking on OK, right? Now let us see whether our template has been saved or not. So how will we come to know about this? So you need to click on file and then new, and once you click on new, I'll click on templates because I want to open the file from the template which I have created. So my template is this. Can you see? Template 22 to 23. So the moment I click on open, so you will see my template has come, and each time I can do my work over here. So this is how we have covered the third step, how to create a template from a document. Now we are coming to our fourth step, that is, after creating this template, I want to set this template as default. Default means what? Default means, students, that whenever I click on file new text document, I want that template should come on my screen, not the blank document. So how will we do this? So for this it is very easy. All you need to do is, in your OpenOffice you will click on file, and from file you will click on template and organize. The moment you click on file, template, organize, it will show you this dialog box, right? So you have to double click on this my template section. Search the template which you have just created. So this was my template, template 2223. I want to make this template as my default template. So what I will do, select the template, go to commands, and under commands there is an option set as default template. Now after that I will click on close button. Now how will I come to know whether my template is default or not? So you will click on file, new and text document. The moment you click on file, new text document, can you observe this? Now I am not getting a blank file, but my template is coming, which I have set as default one. So I think this topic is also clear to us. Setting a custom template as default. Custom means the template which I have made. Now we are on the last topic of this session, that how can we do the setting back to the default one. I want to reset the default template. Means I don't want the template should come always like this in as a new file. I want a blank file. So again the method is, go to file, click on template, go to organize. The moment you click on organize, double click on my template, click any template, and then under commands you have to click on reset default template to text document. So when you reset default template to text document, the moment you have done it, click on close. Now how will we check whether it has been resetted or not? So go to file, click on new and text document. So now you will observe the new blank file is coming. So I hope you all have understood the topics. Okay, so once again we have discussed all these 5 topics, right? And they all cover and concluded your templates topic. Okay, thank you very much.